Robotic mining drones. Robotic mining drones are transforming space mining by autonomously extracting precious materials from asteroids and the moon. Picture small, autonomous robots traveling millions of miles from Earth, landing on celestial bodies and mining resources entirely on their own. Built for extreme environments, these drones use advanced sensors and AI to navigate, identify mineral-rich areas, and extract resources. Their precision allows them to locate valuable metals, rare minerals, and even water ice for future space missions or fuel production. These drones are lightweight, compact, and perfect for space travel, yet packed with spectrometers to analyze rock and soil composition on site. With these tools, they detect platinum, gold, and rare earth elements in the environment. Equipped with specialized drilling arms, they can mine in low-gravity conditions, carefully extracting resources without scattering materials into space. Autonomy is essential, with AI systems enabling drones to learn and adapt in real time. They make exploration and extraction decisions independently, as communication delays prevent real-time control from Earth. Capable of handling unexpected issues and even minor repairs, they ensure smooth operations. One exciting aspect is their ability to work in teams, with missions deploying fleets of drones that collaborate seamlessly. While some map and analyze the area, others drill and collect samples, creating efficient mining operations. Their cooperation makes large-scale mining on moons and asteroids feasible. These drones could transform space exploration and even provide Earth with valuable resources, supporting sustainable space infrastructure and colonization.